السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Alhamdulillah, what a blessed days we are living in. May Allah accept all of our good deeds. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive our shortcomings. I do pray that everyone listening to me, that Allah gave them so far the best ever that they had. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I am reaching out to everybody to just share with you the progress Jannah Institute, Walillah alhamd, had gone through. We started in 2013 as a small institute, local in St. Louis. And as the years went by, we moved from few classes on site to Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. The year 2022, we had more than 155 students for our full-time program, Year of Knowledge. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. More than 1,000 students just in the 2022 in our recurrent programs which we offer every couple of months, including our Quran classes, our tahfidh, our tajweed, walillah alhamd wal minna. We had 2 new female scholars joined us, walillah alhamd. We also have expanded our team, social media team, the marketing team, the admin team. This is all after Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grace is your support. We are now much more able to expand, and I'm sure all of you, walillah alhamd, from the feedback I personally am getting and the team is getting, that you are all enjoying the Ramadan series, Builders of a Nation, which alhamdulillah rabbil, also by your support from last year, we were able to move to a much more professional production. So here we are again. This is the blessed month. This is the month where Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam was more generous than the moving wind that bring a lot of khair. I'm here asking you to keep your support, keep your dua, keep trusting us in learning from us, whether you're an adult, whether you are a youth, but definitely will appreciate also supporting us. We are running a fundraising program through Launch Good. You can also do it through PayPal. You can do it through our website. Jazakumullah khair for everything, and may Allah bless your day.